We all know that intensive global warming is causing the glaciers to melt day by day. But do you know about the fastest thinning glacier in the world? Here is Earthy Perks, along with detailed information about the fastest melting glacier that is losing its length speedily. The glacier in Patagonia is the one we are talking about. Known as Hielo Patagónico Sur 12, HPS 12, it has lost half of its length in 30 years. The Hielo Patagónico, with a total area of about 17,200 square kilometers, stretches from latitude 46 degrees 25 south to 51 degrees 30 south along longitude. Presently, it is divided into two separate ice fields, Hielo Patagónico Norte, HPN, or Northern Patagonia Ice Field, and Hielo Patagónico Sur, HPS, or Southern Patagonia Ice Field. The area of the HPN is about 4,200 square kilometers, while that of the HPS is about 13,000 square kilometers. Perched in the Andes Mountains in Chile, this glacier's melting rate is surreal. It is located in a remote part of the Chilean Andes, about 430 kilometers, 270 miles, northwest of Punta Arenas, and 1,800 kilometers, 1,100 miles, south of Santiago. The glacier is visible about one-third of the way down the western side of the Southern Patagonia ice field, where the brown rocky edges of the glacier's fishhook-shaped ford contrast starkly with surrounding snow and ice. The ford has become exposed as the glacier has retreated about half its length in 3 decades. The HPS 12 has been losing thickness and retreating inland. It loses 98 feet of ice thickness each year, on average, between 2000 and 2008, near its terminal end. At its fastest, the thinning occurred at a rate of 144 feet, 44 meters per year. The glaciers of Peru and Chile are known as tropical glaciers, a seeming oxymoron that signifies that the glaciers sit in Earth's midsection rather than near the poles. According to a research, glaciers in the Andes have lost between 30% and 50% of their surface area since the 1970s. These glaciers are vulnerable to warming both from above, due to air temperatures, and below, due to ocean temperatures at the glacier terminus, due to which the end of the glacier that is advancing or retreating. Seasonal glacial melt provides water that feeds agriculture and industry, but as ice retreat hastens, that meltwater can also kill by causing floods and avalanches. As the ice disappears entirely, water in the Andes will become an increasingly scarce resource. The formation of an ice barrier is a complex process, since there is a feedback mechanism between the glacier and the lake, which affects the oscillations of the position of the glacial front in a fairly stable way. Different behaviors have been observed during the filling and in the process of discharge of the water, which have been classified into 3 types: sudden, progressive, and minor burst. Hence, melting of glaciers at this pace is not good news. It seems if global warming is trolling at a huge pace. This is Earthy Perks, signing off with a public service message to contain global warming as we do for any health crisis. It's our mother planet, and we have to care for it. That's something legit for our survival. Stay tuned and save Earth.